Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm back from my channel Easy Drawing for Kids. Today I will show you how to draw a beautiful house with a tree. So let's start drawing. You have to just follow me step by step. Happy drawing! Our beautiful house ready. Now I will color it. So let's color together, kids. I will draw green color. I will draw the tree with the green color, light green color and dark green color. It looks so nice and beautiful color. Now I will color with brown color. Now I will use orange color for the window and the door. I will now use pink color for the whole house. Now I will use yellow color, neon yellow color for the lower part of the house. And lastly, I will use orange color, neon orange color for the last lower part of my house. So my house with the tree, it's looking so nice and colorful with all these colors. Thank you all.